So I've got this shell off this Whirlpool washer. We're going to change the pump out. Alright, we're down at your pump. Got two clamps holding it on. Attached to your motor. Take a straight screwdriver. Pop those clamps off. Pump off. Pliers. Two clamps. Take them off the hoses. Pull them down a little bit. And that pump come right off. Get your new pump. Put it on the same way you took it off. Take your pliers. Set your clamps. And then put your pump back on your motor. And put your clamps back on the pump. After that, we put our shell back on our dryer, or on our washer, I mean. And then you plug it in, see what it does.